Welcome back to Rolling Legends, the home of premium wheels and powerful stories. Today, we're diving into the future era, introducing the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE, a luxury SUV that blends timeless class with cutting-edge innovation. Mercedes has taken everything great about the GLE and pushed it even further. If you're into high-performance SUVs with a bold stance and smart tech, this one deserves your full attention. From the moment you see the new GLE, you notice the refreshed design. It's not a radical overhaul, but it's the right amount of evolution. The front grille is sleeker, flanked by updated digital light headlights that feel pulled from a sci-fi movie. Subtle aerodynamic refinements around the body aren't just for looks, they improve efficiency and ride stability. And the new alloy wheel designs give the GLE a more athletic, grounded look, even when it's standing still. Step inside, and you're wrapped in next-generation luxury. Mercedes has reworked the cabin with even more attention to detail. We're talking sustainable leather alternatives, illuminated trim options, and ambient lighting that reacts to your drive. The dual-screen setup now even sharper and faster runs the latest MBUX interface. Voice commands are more responsive, and the AI assistant actually learns your habits. Want the seats adjusted just the way you like every morning commute? It remembers. Even the steering wheel buttons are now haptic touch, cleaner, more futuristic, and intuitive. Under the hood, Mercedes gives us several options in 2026. The GLE 350 gets a mild hybrid turbocharged inline-4, smooth and efficient. The GLE 450 steps it up with an inline-6, also electrified, delivering effortless power. And for those chasing performance, the AMG variants promise beastly acceleration paired with air suspension and rear-wheel steering, giving you sports car dynamics in a luxury SUV form. What's especially impressive in the 2026 model is its hybrid integration. The mild hybrid tech isn't just for fuel savings up, it gives you instant torque, smoother start-stops, and regenerative braking that feels totally natural. There's also a plug-in hybrid option rumored to offer over 65 miles of electric-only range, which could be a game-changer for city commuters. Of course, the GLE wouldn't be a Mercedes without safety tech that feels like it's from tomorrow. Active distance assist, automatic lane change, and an enhanced self-parking system are all standard or optional depending on the trim. There's even a system that can detect and adjust for crosswinds and road imperfections in real time, perfect for long-distance cruisers. In the crowded luxury SUV market, the 2026 GLE doesn't just keep up head leads. It's not about gimmicks or flashy headlines. It's about refinement, intelligence, and driving experience. Whether you're on a mountain pass, cruising the city streets, or just parked in your driveway, the GLE sends one clear message: this is what modern luxury should feel like. Thanks for watching Rolling Legends. Hit that like button if you're feeling the future of SUVs, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most legendary rides. See you in the next one.